Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. I am still playing with old bloom paints that I have a ball bearing in my bottles, and I shake them up, and so far so good. This is my so-called pillow paint because it was straight latex from Walmart from Color Place. That's open now. And I have put 20% GAC 800 by Golden in there as a pouring medium to keep it from cracking, which is what it's supposed to do. I'm thinking that I'm going to use these colors. Actually, I have one more color I want in there. There we go. Got it. They're kind of rainbowy. I'm going to put my colors in my shovel this time because I haven't done that before. I think I'm going to use my OXO omelet turning spatula just to cover my canvas with a layer of paint. And I may put a puddle in the center and tip it, but if I don't, I'll swipe. This is, like I said, just latex house paint, and I want some coverage, but I don't want to waste a lot of paint, and I've been doing a few of these and I haven't been wasting much of anything. If you use the OXO omelet turning spatula, it's a great tool for making a nice even layer of paint and moving paint because it picks up a bead along the edge, and I love that about it. It's on the Amazon link underneath the link tree. My link tree is right underneath the video. It's the first blue link. You can find all kinds of cool stuff on my Amazon link, and it's shopping at no added cost to you, and it helps me out. It's an affiliate link, like a lot of people do. It used to help a lot. Right now there are so many of us, I think we all need assistance, and you guys are very kind to do your shopping on the Amazon link and help other people out. So I can't complain because I run a monthly drawing, and anybody who wants to help support the studio is welcome to, other than watching and sharing and giving me a thumbs up and giving me a wonderful comment. Thank you. You keep my morale boosted. You can always find the exhibition video on the end screens, which will share with you what the monthly prizes are for whoever wins the drawing. If you are a contributor through PayPal or Patreon, you will be automatically entered. I will send you a copy of what the prizes are via email. As long as you give me your phone number, I will call you if you win. Yes, I've been playing too long in the paint. I would like coverage, and I really want to play, oh boy, I really want to play with some strange configurations. I think I'm going to give myself a square of heavy puddle paint in the center, and I'm going to try and convince myself to tip. Okay, so what was I going to do originally? I was originally going to put my colors right into my shovel. Sort of peacock colors, same as I did the other day, that were beautiful. This is like a dirty pour, only in a shovel, not in a cup. That is my purple flash from Floetrol that I absolutely adore. That is plenty of paint. I have Cell Activator, which is Golden's Carbon Black. I had the bottle here earlier, but it's gone now. Where'd it go? I don't see it. I'd show you, but it's a fluid. It's not the... There it is. This is the stuff I like for Cell Activator. 75% Floetrol, at least. Alright, so... I don't know why I spun that. That's probably more paint than anyone needs to do this. I'm going to grab a Princeton Artist Tablet spatula. What just occurs to me, I have a little tiny bit of Cell Activator from before. I'll get the rest of my turquoise right out of there and take the rest of my paint. So I don't like to waste much paint, so we'll see what happens. Get off! Off. There we go, right in the bucket with them. And I am going to, where are you? There we go. There's my carbon black golden cell activator, and I'm going to blow into that. And as much as I like that, I'm wondering if maybe I want to grab one of my swipe cards and give myself the opportunity to dip my swipe card in, which is what I've been doing, and I really like the effect. I'm looking for a better swipe card than that swipe card. The other one's stuck to my paint. Okay, what did I do with my favorite swipe card? There's one. That'll work. So I'm going to put some of this cell activator right in the dish. I found it right at the last second. Cool. The one I really wanted. So let's just do that. Because I can. And I like to. Hey, that's the name of my first book on the Amazon link. So let me scrape off my residuals and wipe off whatever's left on the card also. I really want some white, so I might do that in a minute. Nice cells. There's my white cell activator. I've got some beautiful cells happening actually. Super, super tempted. Take all that paint that just came off my card that matches that bit. I'm not going to like to pour this away, but so far it looks like I might be able to keep something interesting. So I'm going to wipe that off a little more thoroughly. I'm going to put some white cell activator right under that card as if I were dipping it. Nice cells, really and truly. And where's my straw? Maybe just a little blowing around. I don't know about that. I'm not seeing really what I was hoping for there. But I don't give up easily. And I'm thinking my favorite cell activator right after the carbon black is definitely the Purple Flash color shift from Folk Art, which I think I can get away with right there. And I want gold, and I just added some more Floetrol to this that wasn't working yesterday. I believe that this is an iridescent gold from Golden. Now I'm going to tip, I think. Because I can, sort of thing. Kind of want one more over there. Not only that, I'm going to use a little bit of my Purple Flash that's not the cell activator. Right there. I think that that is a Venetian blue from Modern Masters. I think that's the exact time I stopped doing blooms a while ago. Just gonna put that right in there. I really want some of that turquoise too now. I'm going to see if I can blow it around. And use a little bit of cell activator on it. I definitely got my oil slick colors. I know Tara will be happy. I dislike tipping toward, I need to learn how to tip toward the window. I also want to use my skewer to make adjustments and pull some of that flowing paint. I have quite a few nice cells, and I'm not unhappy with my design, except for that little tail. I don't like those tails. I do like that turquoise, and I sort of kind of want more. And it seems like I can get away with using my skewer just because the paint on the background isn't too thick. I'm going to use my cell activator right there with that. Just like it was paint, because I can. I'm not unhappy with that, but I might be considering grabbing a little bit of that gold. Cell activator. Putting, oh yeah, that worked. I'm happy with that. Alright, I'm not so sure about that. Like, and I want something other than just that gold there. Some marks in it. I'm almost there. I gotta clear my squeeze bottle top. I can't get enough of this color. It just makes me happy whenever I use it. So this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, telling you if you are interested in giving me an email. I will let you know if there are classes available, should that be of interest to you. If you have an interest in purchasing an artwork, that's a great way to contact me. I'll give you prices. That doesn't seem like enough white right there. Just seems like there needs to be a little tiny bit more somewhere else. And I could probably blow that in place. I don't like that the paint doesn't really stick to the edges of the canvas. I'm not minding that over there though. So I love you guys, and there's almost 89,000 of, excuse me, yeah, there's almost 90,000 of you actually. I don't think I got nearly enough of that green, and I think I like that green up there, the gold. I don't seem to be able to do blooms in a conventional way at all, but oh well, never mind. I won't stop trying. I just like what I like and get what I get on the way to that. Throw my spatula in the bucket. Tell you guys thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for the wonderful compliments. Thank you for the donations that have helped keep me painting for so long. That's cell activator. I'm going to give it one more shot. There we go. Got some pretty cells over there now. I wonder if I set my timer, because it's not going. Oh yeah, I got 12 seconds left. Alright, so the link tree under the video is the first blue link under there, and you can find almost everything you're looking for. My website, my Facebook pages, Saatchi Art, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, what else? All kinds of stuff. That orange is kind of, the orange on the stick is making me think, but I think I'm better off without it, so I'm not going to worry about it. Maybe just one more dollop right there. Unconventional blooming. It's okay. So you guys take care of yourselves, take care of each other. If you're looking for PayPal or Patreon to make a donation to help keep me painting, I appreciate that very much. And the end screen video, the exhibition video, will show you what the prizes are. I think I mentioned that. Can't kind of remember. I'm going to torch to release anything that needs to be released in this. Look on the Amazon link for my books, because I can, and Unlimited Possibilities. What can I say? I just like the colors. And I got some really pretty cells, and I'm going to try and zoom in really fast on some of those cells before you're gone. I wonder if I need to focus. I think they're mostly on the other side. Alright, so I love you guys, and I will see you anon. I might have to throw a couple more spirals in there, but otherwise, take care of each other. Bye for now. Priscilla out.